Hello guys and welcome to week 16. So yeah, let's go to the pairs and I will show you my weekly analysis. So the first one is AUD NZD. So if I go to the weekly, again the weekly is bearish. If I go to the daily is bearish also. And if I go to the 4 hour, the 4 hour is already bearish. So what I'm going to do, I will just wait for the 4 hour to come to this 4 hour area of interest, and after that I will look for some kind of rejection candlestick in the daily, and I will be involved in the trade. So yeah, this is for AUD NZD. Let's go to CHF JPY. If I go to the weekly, you guys can see this clearly that the weekly is currently bearish. If I go to the daily, you guys here also can see that the daily is already bearish and we have this beautiful rejection candlestick. The 4 hour will also become bearish. So after that, I will look for the break, the retest here in my entry signal in. I will take this trade also for the sales. Yeah. So this one is another pair, GBP NZD. So in GBP NZD, if I go to the weekly is currently bullish, but we have this massive bearish engulfing candlestick. In the daily is also bearish, so lower low, higher high, and again lower low. I will look for the lower high here, the engulfing or the rejection candlestick probably, and then I will look for the entry signal. I hope it happened because this market is currently going really fast. So probably I will look if this come until here for some kind of rejection, and I will enter the trade. If I go to this one, which is the last week pair, so you guys can see here that it just take my stop loss, and after that it go to the take profit. Yeah, so the weekly is currently bullish, the daily is also bullish, and the 4 hour is bullish. So I will look for again for the higher low in the engulfing candlestick here, my entry signal. I hope it come back, but probably with this momentum, I don't think so. So let's see. But if you see here, every daily candlestick have wick. So from here, like you guys can see, every even small, but here we don't have wick. So probably it will come to create the small wick, and after that we will shoot up. So I will look for this trade. GBP AUD, the weekly is currently bearish. The daily is also bearish. We have this beautiful engulfing candlestick. And if I go to the 4 hour, this is also bearish. So probably I will look for a small retracement until here in my entry signal to go to the downside. This is for sales. This one, GBP JPY. So the weekly is bearish. The daily is also bearish, and the 4 hour is bullish. So the 4 hour, just the 4 hour is bullish. So this is a counter trend trade. It's really risky trade, but still I will look for it. If here I have some kind of rejection, which probably you guys can see this is really bearish right now. And here I will look for my entry signal. I will look for the trade, but this look really risky trade to me. The next one is EuroCAD. So in EuroCAD, if I go to the weekly, you guys can see here that the weekly is currently bullish. The daily is also bullish. So we come here to this daily area of interest, and we have now this engulfing candlestick. And you guys can see the momentum is really big. So the market just opened. I hope this didn't close above this. I hope it closed here, so we can look for a possible trade to the upside. Euro USD. The weekly is currently bullish. If I go to the daily is also bullish, but we have this rejection candlestick. The 4 hour, it will become bearish, so we will have this left hit in the right shoulder here, and for I will look for the entry signal in this right shoulder here. So this is also a counter trend trade and it's risky. The next one is USD CAD. The weekly is currently bullish. You guys can see it. The weekly is bullish. The daily is, it become bearish from this point. So here we become bearish. You guys can see here, we just broke the structure, and I will look for this taxi, this rejection candlestick. I hope it closes like this. If not, I'm thinking that it will create a small wick. Yeah, so we will see. In the 4 hour, it create really nice this structure point. So if it closes like this, the higher low, and here for some entry signal to go to the upside. USD JPY. The weekly is currently bearish. The daily is also bearish. We have this rejection candlestick in the 4 hour is also bearish. So I'm looking for this trade. If it closes under this, I will take it. My stop loss above, my take profit 1 to 2. But the problem is it's Asia session right now the market just opened. So I'm not interested in no trade right now because, it have a small wick here, but it have a small wick. If it closes like this under this structure point, so if I go to the 30-minute, it will also become bearish. This 1 hour will be bullish, 2 hour will become bearish with this engulfing candlestick. So it's looking pretty much good. It's looking really good right now, but I can't take trade because the spread is really bad. USD CHF. The weekly is currently bearish. We have this beautiful head and shoulder pattern. So this is the right shoulder. And I will look for a retest here, a small wick here. If it comes to this area of interest, look for shorts. Yeah, the daily is also really beautiful. I hope it come until here and give me some kind of rejection candlestick in the daily. And after that, if I go to the 4 hour, the 4 hour will become, the 4 hours already bearish, but internally it is bullish. So it will come like this. Here, like this, it will become bearish. And here I will look for some entry signal to take this trade to the downside. Yeah, guys, so this is the next week pairs. I hope you like this video. This is my weekly analysis for the next week, for the week 16. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you like the video, please give us a like and please subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.